Hey everyone, my name is Peter. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to grow your fire alarm service business without adding more stress to your plate. We're talking about getting more leads, booking more fire alarm inspections and installations, and saving time by automating a lot of the day-to-day operations. And stick around until the end because I've got something for you, a free way to try out this system and see how it works for yourself. So, let's dive in. The biggest challenge in the fire alarm service business? Finding new clients consistently and making sure they keep coming back. You're great at what you do, but running the business side, keeping up with bookings, following up, managing customers, that can be overwhelming. That's where this system comes in. It's designed to make your life easier by handling scheduling, follow-ups, and client management automatically, so you can focus on what you do best. Let's start with scheduling. Instead of spending hours on the phone, back and forth with customers trying to find a time that works, let them book their fire alarm inspections or services online anytime. The system keeps your schedule updated automatically, so there's no risk of double bookings. Next, staying connected with your clients. Ever had a customer forget an appointment? That's lost time and money. With automated appointment reminders via email and text, your clients will always know when their service is coming up. You can also send quick updates and even promotions to keep them engaged. Now imagine being able to answer client questions instantly, even when you're busy. With a live chat feature on your website, potential customers can get quick answers about services, pricing, or availability, which means fewer missed opportunities. But here's the real game changer: follow-ups. Most businesses lose potential clients simply because they don't follow up. With automation, you can stay top of mind without lifting a finger. The system automatically tracks leads and sends reminders, special offers, and follow-ups, so you turn more leads into loyal customers. And speaking of loyal customers, let's talk about reviews. Reviews are everything when it comes to trust. With this system, you can automatically request reviews from happy clients, make it super easy for them to leave feedback on Google or social media, and even display those great reviews on your website to attract more customers. Now, let's talk about making your life easier behind the scenes. Instead of using 5 different tools to manage your business, this system connects everything: scheduling, payments, customer info, all in one place. That means no more juggling multiple platforms or dealing with unnecessary headaches. And because it's designed specifically for fire alarm service businesses, it even helps you reconnect with past clients by sending reminders about inspections and maintenance. That way, you're not always chasing new clients, you're also keeping the ones you already have. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I'm not tech savvy. No worries. The setup is simple, with step-by-step guides and templates made for your industry. Plus, you'll have support every step of the way to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now that you've seen what Funnel Freedom can do, let me show you how easy it is to set it up for your fire alarm service business. You don't need to be a tech expert. Everything is designed to be simple and stress-free. Start by logging into your Funnel Freedom account. Once inside, look for the settings option on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find something called your location ID. Just click the copy button next to it. You'll use this in a moment. Next, choose a pre-built template, or as Funnel Freedom calls it, a snapshot. The fire alarm service snapshot is specifically designed to help you grow your business. It includes a professional website to showcase your services, email templates to follow up with clients and confirm bookings, and automated text messages to stay in touch with customers. Once you've picked the snapshot, it's time to connect everything. Funnel Freedom provides an import form where you'll enter your name and email address, paste your location ID, and copy and paste the snapshot ID for the fire alarm service snapshot. Then, click Import, and Funnel Freedom will automatically set up your website, funnels, and automations, all in a matter of seconds. After your setup is ready, you can customize it to match your business. Add your logo, business name, and contact details. Update the service descriptions to highlight your offerings, whether it's fire alarm installation, inspections, maintenance, or emergency repairs. The email and text message templates are already written for you, but you can adjust them to reflect your unique tone and style. One of the best features of Funnel Freedom is the ability to let your clients schedule a fire alarm service appointment directly from your website. Your website will include a built-in calendar where customers can choose a time that works for them. Once they've booked, they'll receive an automated confirmation email with all the details. You'll also get notified so you can be ready for the appointment. No more back and forth phone calls, just a smooth automated booking process. Here is one example of a simple website for a fire alarm service business. It features a clean layout, a section for customer reviews, and a prominent call to action button for booking services. Provides clear service descriptions and includes an automated chat feature to answer common client questions instantly. Once everything looks perfect, just hit publish and you're live. So, if you're ready to simplify your business, get more bookings, and grow without the usual headaches, you can start today with a 14-day free trial. Click the link below, get started, and see for yourself why so many fire alarm service providers are using this to scale their business. That's it. Thanks for your time, and I can't wait for you to see how much easier your business can run with this system.